Not every one that says unto me, Lord, Lord, shall enter unto the kingdom of heaven, but he that does the will of my Father which is in heaven. Many will say to me in that day, Lord, Lord, we not, Lord, Lord, have we not, sorry, you guys, have we not prophesied in thy name, and in the name have cast out devils, and in thy name done many wonderful works? And then will I prophesy unto them, I never knew you. Depart from me, ye that work iniquity. You do not want him to say that to you. That is scary. And then will I prophesy unto them, I never knew you. Depart from me, ye that work iniquity. You know what that means? Evil. You never served God. You never gave him a chance. You never came to him. It's right here. You're living in sin thinking you have time. Whistle blow. That's why I did that teapot, and the clock is ticking. Jesus Christ is coming. Prepare for the glory of God. You will see the sky open, and millions and thousands of angels will come with swords. The trumpet will sound, the dead will rise first, and the ones who are alive that believe in Jesus Christ will be caught up. The trumpet is about to blow.